how to pay the Shopee using 7-Eleven. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay the Shopee using 7-Eleven. So start by opening shopee.co.id in your web browser. Here, click on your account from the top right corner. Then go to My Account. Click on the Add New Card button right next to credit or debit card. Now here, you need to fill in the complete details of your 7-Eleven credit card. Once you're done, click on Submit. You'll be able to pay on Shopee by using the 7-Eleven card. So there you have it. That is exactly how you can pay Shopee using 7-Eleven. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.